Welcome, today we're with me OPPO A94 and I'll show you how to change screen recorder quality on this device. So first we should launch the screen recorder settings, and to do that let's open the settings app, and after that scroll down to convenience tool, then click here to the screen recording, and here you'll see the video resolution section. Now we have selected media, so we can switch it to the high, to the low, or also we can set here the custom resolution. So that's it, that's how to change screen recorder quality settings on our OPPO device. Also, we have the second way how we can open screen recorder settings. Just you should open notification panel, and somewhere here on the top bar you should find screen recording icon, and just to launch the settings you should hold for a while this icon, and by the same way we can also change the video quality. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.